Add the correct punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. Write declarative, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative against each sentence. So, do you know what is meant by punctuation mark? Full stop, question mark, then comma, then exclamatory mark. All these are known as punctuation marks. So, add the correct punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. Write whether which type of sentence it is. If it is a declarative sentence, you have to write it as declarative sentence on the blank spaces provided against each answer. Interrogative, exclamatory or imperative, like that. First question, we can have a look at the first question. Please have a seat. So it is what? It is a which type of sentence? It is an imperative sentence. It is an imperative sentence. You have to write it here as an imperative sentence. Please have a seat. That you have to write it here as it is what type of sentence? It is a statement. So that is what? That is also that is known as an imperative sentence. Then what punctuation mark we have to add at the end of this sentence? It is we have to put a full stop here. Full stop here. Then what a beautiful house you have. What it is? What a beautiful house you have. So it is what type of sentence? It is an exclamatory sentence. You have to write here as exclamatory sentence, and you have to put here at the end of the sentence you have to put which punctuation mark? You have to put an exclamation mark, and you have to write this sentence as an exclamatory sentence. Here you have to write this. Here you have to write it as exclamatory sentence. Then alarm is going on picnic. Alarm is going on picnic. It is which type of sentence? It is a statement. That is known as it is a statement. So it is what? It is a declarative sentence. So you have to write it here as declarative sentence. Then you have to put a full stop here. Then beware of pickpockets. Beware of pickpockets. That is what? Beware of pickpockets. It is which type of sentence? It is an exclamatory sentence. You have to write it here as exclamatory sentence, and you have to put what? An exclamation mark here. Do you know if Manish has come today? Do you know? Fifth question. Do you know if Manish has come today? What type of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. It is in the form of a question. Fifth, do you know if Manish has come today? It is in the form of a question. So this sentence is which type of sentence? Interrogative sentence. You have to put a question mark. Interrogative sentence means questioning sentence. So that we have to, at the end of the sentence, you have to put a question mark. The train will leave at 10 a.m. The train will leave at 10 a.m. That is what it is. What it is a statement. So that is which type of sentence? It is a declarative sentence. So you have to put a full stop here. The train will leave at 10 a.m. How nice of you. How nice of you. How nice of you. It is what? It is which type of sentence? It is an exclamatory sentence. You have to write it as exclamatory sentence, and you have to put at the end of this sentence you have to put which punctuation mark? Exclamation mark. Then eighth one, can we visit the Red Fort tomorrow? Eighth one, that is can we visit. So that is also in the form of a question. Can we visit the Red Fort tomorrow? So which type of sentence? It is an interrogative sentence. So you have to put one question mark here. It is what? It is in the form of a question. You have to put one question mark. So can we visit Red Fort tomorrow? So it is in the form of a question. You have which type of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. So let's move to next exercise. Use the given word and phrase to make a sentence as directed. You may have to add some words of your own. So first sentence, you writing difficult essay. Fine. It is an interrogative sentence. So we have to add, we can add our own sentence and to make it that sentence into a proper order. So first one, it is an interrogative sentence. So what to form an interrogative sentence, we have to here add a do you find writing essays difficult. And last you have to put an interrogation symbol or punctuation mark is there. Need all to you plan is do. That is a declarative sentence. What you have to write? First one, what you have to write? All. Then second, you need to plan is all you need to do is plan. All you need to do is plan. Students, you have to write it on your grammar textbook at the provided space or under the each questions. You have to write it at the space provided under each questions. Here look at this sentence. Need all to you plan is do. It is a declarative sentence. How we will write it? All. Yes, all you need to do is plan. Again I am repeating. All you need to do is plan. All you need to do is plan. All you need to do is plan. Then choose topic interest. That is an imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? So we have to add which one? We have to write the answer. We have to add some more things in it. Be sure. Be sure. S-U-R-E. Be sure. You have to write it that. Be sure to choose a topic. Be sure to choose a topic. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose a topic of your interest. Be sure to choose a topic of your interest. So be choose, but be sure to choose a topic of your interest. Be sure to choose a topic of your interest. So okay, then let's move to the next questions. Decide purpose easy. That is what decide purpose easy. That is an imperative sentence. You have to write decide, D-E-C-I-D-E. Decide the purpose. Decide the purpose. P-U-R-P-O-S-E. P-U-R-P-O-S-E. Decide the purpose of your. Decide the purpose of your essay. Decide the purpose of your essay before you read. Decide the purpose of your essay before you read. Purpose essay to inform, persuade, entertain. It is an interrogative sentence. Then you have to write is the purpose of the essay. Is the purpose of the essay to inform, comma, persuade, P-E-R-S-U-A-D-E, persuade, or entertain, E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N, or entertain. So it is an interrogative sentence. At the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Select main idea, area, explore. That is an interrogative sentence. Then how can we write the answer? Did you select the main idea? Did you select the main idea? Did you select the main idea of the area? A-R-E-A, of the area, area you want, W-A-N-T, you want to explore. That is which type of sentence? It is an interrogative sentence. So at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Seventh one, gather information, subject, imperative. Gather information, subject, imperative. Gather information, gather information about your subject. Gather information about your subject. It is an imperative sentence. Eighth one, be careful to select information, topic chosen. So it's an exclamatory sentence. So at the end what we have to do is, then be careful, put one exclamatory mark there after be careful. Only select information relevant, relevant to the chosen topic. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's lesson. Thanks for watching.